If your stove smells like gas, here are the two most probable causes. While all gas ranges will have a slight gas smell when the burner's light that soon goes away, a persistent gas smell could be caused by a faulty igniter or spark electrode. If a stovetop surface burner does not light within 3 or 4 seconds, or an oven burner does not light within 90 seconds, then the electrode or igniter is likely defective and should be replaced. The gas valve assembly or pressure regulator, or one of the tubes connected to it, could also be damaged and leaking gas. You can apply non-corrosive leak detection solution or dish soap mixed with water to the connection points. The solution will bubble if a leak is present. Be aware if you still smell gas after a burner is lit or when the range is not in use. You should immediately shut off the gas supply to the appliance and contact a qualified technician for repairs. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your gas range.